Well, we are not celebrating yet, that's for sure. Of course, we had a good start. The first game that we played, we batted really well, and after that, spinners did a very good job in the middle overs. So again, I think it's about the team that will start well and who will hold the nerves for a consistent period of time, and may the best team win.
Mahendra, as ever we see the passion for the game here, with everyone wanting to see the game. Andrew Strauss is hoping that you might feel the pressure more. What's the weight of expectation like to deal with? Do you feel the pressure in front of your own crowd?
Well, there's one thing with the Indian cricket team. In the last 2004, I made my debut. I've never played a series where we are not under pressure. Whether we have the pressure of easily winning the game or the pressure of playing against a strong opponent. So I think most of the guys are used to it, and especially IPL being a part also playing for the franchise, you are under pressure to win games and qualify to the next stage. So I think it goes hand in hand with the Indian cricket team.
Mahendra, Andrew Strauss said this morning that he thinks every team in the tournament will fear what Kevin Pietersen can do to them. Do you fear Kevin Pietersen?
Well, it's not about one individual. When you're preparing for a team, you have to prepare for the whole squad. At least the 11 members who will be playing, you have to have plans. Of course, some of the teams, they'll have a few players, who can really change the course of the game. So I think, but still it's important that you consider the whole team as when it comes to channelizing or having strategy, to prepare for everyone. Because, it will be very tough if you are just targeting one individual, because if you see the international side, most of them are very talented. Well, you'll have to see what the forecast exactly is like, what's the percentage of rain and how much the game will get affected because of rain. And it's a tough part to exactly forecast or predict about the weather. You have seen in South Africa in the recent series, there were 80% chances of rain and not a drop fell. And after that, we had 20% of chances and it rained the whole day. So it's a very difficult thing, but still you exactly see before the start of the game how the wicket looks like and what the forecast is, and accordingly you plan. Well, a wicket can definitely change a lot in 2 weeks' time. A lot depends on how you prepare the wicket, how much rolling is done and how it is prepared. So I think yesterday when we were practicing, the wicket was still damp and they were doing a bit of rolling. So I didn't get a chance to see the wicket right now. And as far as strategy is concerned, again, it depends on how the wicket looks like, before the start of the game. If you play with just two seamers and the rest spinners, your bowling becomes quite similar. Of course, you have the variation when it comes to the spin department. But if you're playing with three seamers and the rest spinners, what we have seen is our part-timers can also do a job, which means, we play with three seamers and three spinners. But of course, it's a very tempting and a challenging decision to make. So let's see, hopefully the best 11 will get selected. Big positive that you see is, most of the batsmen are looking in good form. Virat Kohli again, he has been in tremendous form in the last few series that he has played. It will always be tough to pick one of the two because Yuvraj Singh has that edge of, bowling left arm spin, that we desperately need because we play with 4 bowlers. So I think it's a difficult one, and of course, what we need to see is once all these 3 batsmen, Virat, Yuvraj Singh and Suresh Raina, who is also in good form, all of them start scoring, then it's a fight for the slot that they need to bat on. And Virat is ideally suited to bat, on the top of the order. Maybe the lowest he can go is number 4. So it will be more of a battle of slot rather than, just the individuals.